I walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
Hello, Mean Leaguers and dopamine enjoyers and booners. We are here for game 54, season 10.
I walk this empty street on the boulevard of broken dreams, where the
We got the Sons of Sanguinius here at home against Vive France. I would say that this is pretty similar to last game. Sons of Sanguinius want to win it to stay out of the bottom 6, and VLF wants to win it to claw out of the bottom 6. And I do think if VLF wins, they're pretty much confirmed going to be out of the bottom 6 based on how we see. So a big game for both.
Games for everyone tonight.
So true, Vaz. Now let's get right onto the pitch. Gonna pick it off. Good color combo. Always like blue and red.
Blue and red on green. Very simple.
Very Kino. Sanguinar trying to race on the left wing. Apprehended by those Frenchmen. He's having trouble. Knock it free, but it'll just be a throw-in. Forward to Escalon. Galen. Sanguinar back to Stefan. You know, these are my worst names. Easily across the whole league. Even the French, which are funny. Oh, Sanguinius turning around. He tries to curl it back inside, but saved. Now an attempted header. And VLF gets it out of their turf. Well, not quite, but out of their...
I think you always have like a problem with Damon's team's names, because I know you could never like pronounce the Ranger names either.
I know for that one it was like, there was one name that I fucked up, but I think I got most of them right. There was like,
I remember one of those games. There was one of those games, and I think the only reason I remember it because I think it was my team playing him. And you were like sitting there like the whole game trying to figure out how to pronounce like his name.
I'm up here in the
and Damon was just trolling you.
Maybe.
Classic Damon troll.
Classic. Evil man. Multiple VLF defenders there, closing in. Ball back. A tie is also pretty good for both teams. Not that they'd want to look for, they want the win, but I mean it helps them get out of the bottom 6. So Napoleon with his little leg racing the corner and into Charlemagne. Header is to just way outside.
I don't know how much a tie would actually do here because there's a lot of the teams have at least like score wise over 2, and a tie would put them both at 2.
Yeah, and that gets them out of the bottom 6.
I guess we'll see after the next game.
Yeah, next
I'm sure
game
everyone's very excited to see their seed placement.
Yeah, next game could harm too. Well, it depends. But in general, both teams are looking for a tie.
No one wants a loss here.
Weighted pass for Gautier. I honestly think a bicycle kick there might have been applicable, but maybe he wasn't feeling it. He knows like when the game really matters, you can't be going too flat.
And I think this is the French's first real drive here.
He had the momentum on that ball. Again, high by Charlemagne. When headers score, they look so cool, but they sure do miss a lot.
Yeah. It's really unfortunate that in at least PES 21, I feel like the heading card doesn't really do much.
Yeah, I don't know.
Headers are just overall bad in 21. I feel like they were definitely easier to get when we were on 19.
Yeah, 19. Or 20. We might have been on 20.
Maybe.
Tackled off forward. Oh, this is slap ball. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh, he saves it.
Oh, wow.
He protects the slap ball. That Sanguinius player just kind of gave that ball up, and they get away with it. Feel left fired
Yeah,
up.
that was a very, very dangerous forward interception.
Okay. Diverse Corex. And out of bounds in the corner.
Yeah, so far, the French are very aggressive here. 54% possession doesn't seem like that much, but every time they've got the ball, they've been able to keep it on the Sanguinius side.
Header. Napoleon maybe getting a little too cocky. He almost loses it dribbling around there. Get it forward. Charlemagne. And I think that may have been another header by him that goes south. By south,
It looks like it's going to be a goal kick.
By west, I mean Kanye.
Who was in Paris?
You should get Kanye West on.
Yeah, I don't think he'd say much.
Could probably, yeah, I could ask. Like, get my people to contact. I don't think he has people anymore. I think. Did you see his Twitter post like yesterday? That was like, after further analysis and consideration, I actually don't like it. It was.
Yeah, he did the same thing
was
like
just as
a year
funny.
and a half ago. It's like, I don't know,
Yeah.
it felt like deja vu.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I dropped some frames. Hold on, 1 second. I gotta take an administrative pause. Thank you, noble Game League viewer. Just gonna make sure that this stays consistent for a little bit. I dropped 1,000 frames. That's a lot of frames. I don't know why that happened. I'm gonna blame YouTube because I remember last whenever I had any frame. I think we're good. No, my internet is.
Well, I've been having YouTube issues apparently. I can't even watch the stream, so I'm actually not even watching the game. I'm just kind of like pretending
True.
I know what's
that.
happening.
Well, they have a chance for Sanguinius. What a line drive. And saved again. Back line. Middle. Really huge shot. Save. Another cross over the top for BLF. They do get +1 for Sanguinius, and this time it's in. Well, BLF right before half, and as they go into half, he's 0-1, BLF up. But team's looking okay, but BLF, just their aggression right now is moving off. And back in we go. Suns are down as VLF starts us off.
I think either outcome here is good because now the teams here are enemy teams. So.
Yes, you're correct. Over the top for Charlemagne, header on point, but save, and they're trying to get it out. That was close. This header
it looks like it's going to be a goal kick here.
Yeah,
he kicked it
more
out
than
right
likely,
at the last second.
That touches the player. Look at that header, beautiful, and then obviously both players racing for it, and that VLF player just taps it. Well, that was Charlie.
Yeah, he should have let it go. It would have been a quarter if he didn't.
Yeah, but you know, moving in with the speed of the game there, I kind of understand it.
Yeah, in the moment, you gotta think, or you don't have to think. That's the complete opposite.
Yeah, your body
just gotta do it.
There's VLF up the middle. They've got a little bit of space. Curling ball to Vercingetorix on the right wing, and crossed inside for Charlemagne. Broken up. Well, Bonaparte winning a header, but Ekenes just there to intercept. That ball goes nowhere.
Yeah, this is all VLF so far. I've not seen, like, you could tell me that this was a 70-30 possession game, and I'd believe you, but the game probably is going to say, like, 53, like 47.
It definitely, yeah, VLF definitely feels like the main character.
Yeah.
But it's like SOS with some decent adjustments. They're getting the ball a little more now that they haven't had the ball much since around 20 minutes, if even that. Sanguinius, through ball to Seth, and Seth! That's a cool name.
You can never know what it's like. You blow the light when the freezing just like us. And there's a cold along the left that shines from you. You want to let the rip you hide behind that mask you use. Did you think this one could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love and a simple win. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing?
That ties it up, 1-1.
It's kind of strange that the player named Seth got the goal there.
That's me like pulling the USB out.
Yeah.
And all the alien noises, those are necessary. Look, Game Shark, all you guys think that these games are rigged. No, Game Shark, Charlemagne is through, and what a shot! That was not Game Shark.
Well, yeah, you pulled it out.
Oh yeah, you're right. Man, in those moments when you're in front of the GK like that, that one shot matters. Charlemagne got it. But no, Game Shark gets saved for the playoffs. That way, when I rig it, people get really mad. Sanguinius is through again, and for the tie!
I don't even have time to, like, respond.
Just like us, and there's a cold along the left that shines from you. You want to let the rip you hide behind that mask you use. Did you think this one could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back.
Wow. Yeah, the ruination of a co-commentator. Got good timing.
Yeah. I think Team Ty here is having a roller coaster of emotions.
They
with this
really
back
are.
and forth.
Timeout called, 1 of 2 by LeBron.
I saw it just for a second, but possession was 70-30, by the way.
That is about it. Well, yeah, that feels about right then. the action. SOS has got possession. Try to move forward aggressively. That gaining shot. Across the center. Sanguinius misses it. Put it outside. Throw in. Subs. The left coming in. J-Man.
Players are colliding. Refs don't say anything about that.
That frame death must be on YouTube side now, because I'm not even getting a limited frame. Dante with some crazy dribbling. Sanguinius!
That's in.
You can never know what it's like. You're blinded like when the freezer just like ice. And there's a cold along the left that shines from you. You're wild about the review high.
Yeah, I've got no drop frames on my. Yeah, so I think YouTube have control, sadly.
Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love and a simple forward. And if you need,
And a free timeout is called by the friends. Won't stop gameplay.
don't you know I'm still standing?
That's the kind of header that games. Really a really aggressive through ball again for SOS. DLF gets control. The outside, 15 to go, plenty of time to tie things up. Timeout 1 of 2 called by Sons of Sanguinius. Back in. All moving forward for SOS. We've had a pretty good time run. They can get there. Left, some open space. They've got plenty of attackers moving. And just gets the ball off. Crossing into Charlemagne. Back out. And trying to get it forward. And to go.
Goes straight back to VLF. They'll be tied up.
Nope, DeGaulle can't win it there, though. That'll be a goal kick. Here come the SOS sub. That's good timing for them as they're about to put the ball back. At this point, they just want to cut some time, really. Minutes to hold out. The left from the outside, Debussy. Race to get it. A really aggressive curling cross. Not stamina to be able to do something like that. Punt up the middle. SOS moving forward. They got a lot of attackers here.
Yeah, a lot of attackers there. Very dangerous.
Back inside, Debussy is able to clear it. Forward for VLF.
Just like that. It's
that.
5 more minutes to go here, yeah? Oh boy. Just threw ball for Napoleon.
Oh, that sliding tackle.
That's a bad tackle.
And I want to see right there. I mean, this is not the most. Whoa, they're fighting.
Oh,
Napoleon is pissed.
I don't blame him. Yeah, I don't blame him. This is a very important game for both these teams. So.
Yeah, he doesn't get any ball there until he's all the way through Napoleon. Well, this is not a spot that I expect to see a shot on goal, but I guess nothing's impossible. Does cross point, but defended. Again, SOS is GK. Certainly MVP against some of these shots. No yellow is crazy. I love it. Real football banter. Charlemagne header is wide. Oh, that's devastating. Brings it back in. Maybe he's got a better shot.
Yeah, with 3 minutes to go here, I don't know if VLF can do anything.
It's going to be tough. Still have
Oh, no.
time. I mean, they'll have time with the plus. But
Sounds like Sanguinius is trying to look for the point differential.
Break shot. Oh, he got really mad about that one.
Yeah, the tensions are high right now on the field.
Cross the
There's going to
side.
be riots in the Sanguinius streets
Oh,
after this
hold
one.
on. Okay, hold up. YouTube is currently not even responding. Gave me a yellow. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick administrative pause. I'm still not dropping any frames. I think it's just on YouTube then, man. Yeah, you can see it? Okay. We're just gonna keep rolling. Well. Alright, all the gamers. Give me just 1 second. It told me that we dropped a few more frames. Okay, we're gonna go back in. I mean, there's not much time left. Can't delay all of the gamers. They do. Wow, +5 is a lot. Sanguinius turning it around. That is totally. I mean, that's close enough.
You can never know what it's like. You're going to like when the freezer just like us. And there's a cold lonely light that shines from you. You're wild about the rip you hide behind that mask you use. And did you think this one could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got.
That is tough. Timeout for BLF. This will be a free timeout. Back in. I mean, unless a miracle happens here for BLF, it's real tough. Back in.
Well, with +5, they might have a chance here.
There is a small chance.
At least for the point differential. I don't know about tying the game though.
Yeah. Yeah. Nah, it's just taking time right now. +5, and these balls are not perfectly placed. I'll admit. That should. Okay, that really should have just ended it. But instead, they're gonna get their throw in. Here come these subs to play for 8 seconds.
Yep.
Fully and throw in. I mean, they get the point differential point here. It matters. Oh, never mind. No, they do not. Sons of Sanguinius close it out